You're welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're returning, welcome back. If you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing to this channel. And if you've not yet subscribed, I will leave that to you to think about it. And so as you can tell by the title of this video, guys, I'm going to show you how you can do your edges stroke your baby hair for the natural hair. For those people with a 4C, those hard natural hair, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it and the products you can use to easily do your baby hair so that they can look nice and silk. First of all, there is this product. It has no name. I guess it was just removed, but it's a relaxer. It's used to relax your hair. It doesn't relax like to go in straight hair, but it makes your hair soft. I've said those people with strong types of natural hairs, you know what I'm talking about, those hard types of hair. So this is the relaxer. It's just white inside. Yeah, it's what you use on your edges first. Then actually, let's get to the video. Just watch. Apart from this, I'm going to also use eco gel. At times, if I'm not using the eco gel, there is some olive oil gel that I use, but I failed to locate where it is. I don't know where I always put my things, but if I get it, I'll actually use it in the other video that I'll be doing, or I'll be showing you about anything about hair, I guess. Yeah, so let's get to the video.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other.
As you're saying, I've applied the relaxer on the front hairs. I've been using my brush to remove them slowly. You have to do that slow so that you can remove a really small amount of hair that you will want to use for your baby hair. Yeah, a small amount that you want to use for your baby hair. So this is it. I'm going to, you just have to wait like for actually 1 minute. Then if you they're small hairs, so not to make a damage, you have to wait for 1 minute, then you wash it off. So let me wash it off, then I'll get back to you. Yes, guys, so I'm just from really me with my sauce. I'm just from washing out the washing out this relaxer, this relaxer Vaseline and product, you may say. So I'm going to just apply the eco gel, but I sometimes use the toothbrush to lay my edges. The toothbrush is better because I first learned I had to learn using the toothbrush. Then later I started using a spoolie. This is a spoolie for the eyebrows. So it's what I'm going to use a spoolie for laying the edges, or I'm going to see, but let me use this spoolie. Yeah, let's get to the video.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Like we can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid then you know it's nothing wrong. But you and me got a whole lot of meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake.
Oh my god, the light is so bad. So everyone, this is it. Oh my god, the light is so bad. This side I've used the brush. This side you can't see them very well because the light is just so strong. This side I've used the brush. I think you can see. And this side I've used the spoolie. I don't know whether you can see very well. You can see. So which one is better? So that's how I lay my edges. You can also try if you have the natural hair which is so strong, but you also want to lay your edges. Munage. Yes, you can use the relaxer, the eco gel, or the olive oil gel. I'll show it to you when I do another video about the edges or about the hair. And comment down below the brush and the spoolie, which one is better and which one can work for you and which one lays better. As you saw my edges, really the light is so bad, but so guys, this is the end of the video. Please like and comment the video, and if you've not yet subscribed, please subscribe. Oh, subscribing everywhere. So guys,